Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Encrypto'd. My name is Cryptic, and as always, I bring to you the latest news and trends in the crypto world. But I also like to take a second to welcome all the new followers we've been gaining on YouTube. Or should I call you subscribers? Or then again, I should call you the Cryptic family. Welcome. I'd like to thank every single one of you for sticking along, being loyal, and spreading the beauty of the Kryptonian family. So shout out to you. But without further ado, you know what you came for. The news, the trends, the gems. The crypto gems. And what do we got today is another review. One that could potentially be a long-term investment as well as short-term. A little game, NFT, this and that. You could buy tokens, a bit of everything. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Web3 project. We are here live and direct right on the landing page of the Web3project.com. Right in big right here you can see it has 404,192.65% APY. Wowza. This is the Web3 is the best optimized highest auto staking and auto compounding protocol. Take notes, my friends. You're in for a ride. With Web3, you have low risk backed by the WTF fund plus auto buyback. You have interest paid every 3 seconds, the fastest auto compounding possible. And participate in governance and take revenue from all their utilities. Damn right. So, for today's review, we're going to find out what is the Web3, how they operate, and why should you invest with the Web3 over other competitors. First things first, let's dive in, take a look at the chart. Where is the Web3 sitting today? Now, we all know the crypto market isn't doing the best as of today. It's no surprise to see some bloody hills. As you can see, a lot of red, which is not bad because this means it's sitting at a low time where it's good to buy. So while it's dropping and while it's going down, this is just a good thing. If you believe in this project as well as other investments, you know what to expect, especially with crypto. We sense a bull. We sense a big bull or not. We can't predict the future, but this just means good time to buy, sitting at $129.294. Damn right. Let's head back to the website. So let's read this note up here. Don't fall for scams and make sure the TG you're getting your info and links from this link right here. Any Telegram that you may come across with the Web3 project, make sure the link has been provided from the website. Make sure it's the same one. So copy this link. And while we're at it, you should 100% tap into their social medias. Once you're interested and invested in them, definitely tap in, stay up to date with the latest events, drops, activities, and like always, there's always a lot of cool people to meet that spread amazing knowledge. And if you want to voice your concerns, this is where you want to tap right in. View the Telegram, over 7,700 subscribers and moving up. This community is strong and building really quickly. Another thing about this website, you can quickly look at your dashboard. You can open your DApp. This will take you to your dashboard. As we can see here, there's a market cap of $14 million of 557,000. Crazy. The Web3 price, as we saw right now, it's at 129.561. It's $129. The next rebase is every 3 seconds. Unreal. Current circulating supply of 98,342.135. Backed liquidity of 39%. And burned supply burned already 14,019.636. Crazy. Good numbers. Right here we can see the black hole market value, $5,844,329. The Web3 Treasury market value, 257,984, almost at 258,000. Quickly picking up. The BNB liquidity value, 1,570,000, and the Web3 Trust Fund market value of $257,799. Also quickly racking up to 258,000. Good numbers. This is great. You can check your account here. You have a calculator. You can swap Everything you need from swapping to checking your amount, etc., is right here in the dashboard. So don't hesitate to ask questions if you're confused. They have guides as well as a bunch of information that is helpful for your investments. Now let's head back to the landing page. It's good to know how to navigate through the website. I'm glad we went over these few topics right here. The Web3 project and the vanguard of DeFi, GameFi, and social finance. That's right, things are only impossible until they are not. What is this experience? This might be everything you want, all in the same place, all powered by blockchain technology. No unwanted data collection, no third party profiting from your information, no censorship, just Web3. You can download the app from the Google Play App Store or the App Store itself. Whistle, you heard it here first. You get me? Nice. You can learn more about this, about the Whistle app. If you're interested, you know where to find it. Shout out Web3 for this brilliant idea. Now, investment. How is the Web3 carefully structuring their tokenomics? Well, let's take a look. Right here we can see 4% goes to the black hole, 8% to the liquidity, 10% to the WTF fund, and 8% to the treasury. Did I say 10% for the WT fund? That's what I meant. Brilliant. Yes, sir. Now, this investment structure is developed to provide a maximal sustainable returns on the Web3 key features as we see them right here. But your buy tax is 14% and your sell tax is 16%. Great stuff. Great stuff. Now let's go down right here. Oh, what are these cool characters? We got some like green thorns shorty with the gas mask, like she just came out of a virus of COVID and got infected and looked fired with it. We got some kitty chick, banana goo, still in COVID with the mask, little astronaut. Dope. Interesting. What is this? What are these characters? Well, right here, right there, we can see these are our own exclusive NFT collections that uniquely interact with the ecosystem. One of its kind avatar creator where every piece features a bonus like reduced transaction tax. Trade it on your marketplace or put it on up for rent and earn passive income from these unique digital asset values that may or not look like these. Awesome. Oh, look at that. That's funny. You lost your eyes there, chick. Anyways, dope stuff. The alpha test live, the Opfinity League. This seems like a game. You know me, I love games. I've been waiting for this. So there is an alpha test. Let's learn more. So right here, if you were to go on the ecosystem and go down to play, you can play some games and see what they're providing. There's 3 game modes with the Opfinity League: training, player versus bots, and player versus players. You can play right now. Why not? Shall we? So while that loads, 3 upgrades: the chassis, the engine, the pilot. You can get higher tier rockets, common, rare, epic, legendary. Cool stuff. Well, let's register real quick. This doesn't seem to be loading at the moment, so we're gonna disregard the game, but this game is hella fun. Well, for the developers behind this game, if you can get in contact with me and get me access to this game, I would love to play it as well as run it for our beautiful fans. So we'll get back to this. I like this stuff. You know me with games. I like to play games, and everybody would like to see a little gameplay of what this Opfinity League is all about. But in order to stay tuned with any updates as such, like the one we just talked about, we got to join the community. Right now, the Web3 is only growing, as we can see. It's a thriving community. Build what is yet to come. We are in this together. I'm already in this. Let's get it. You can stake on the DAIO pool and earn times Web3 governance token. You can vote on the DAIO to take part in important decisions and participate in community events for fun and profits. So do not hesitate. You can join. Check out the social platforms at the top left hand. Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So tap right in. But anyways, look at this. Everybody's going in a certain direction. You can count us in. But where are we going? Let's go to the roadmap. Where is the Web3 taking us? Where are we heading? Man, I like that idea. That was cool. That was clever. Phase 1, as you can see, this was the Go phase 2022. We could read all about it right here. This is what has been accomplished, I believe. Great stuff. I think we're aiming to go, as you saw, the rocket went by here. Phase 2, the further phase, quarter 2. We'll be looking at a lot of milestones ahead of us. Take a nice read of this beautiful list of milestones. Right here, we got Certic Audit, the DAIO 2.0, multi-chain NFT marketplace. We can't wait for that. The Swap 2.0, the Upfinity. So that's what it was called. I was calling it the Upfinity League launch. Well, can't wait for this. Whistle 1.0, chat, moments, trending moments. Amazing. There's some good stuff right here. Good to know. So definitely we'll have to stay tapped into the social medias so we don't miss out when any of these are ongoing. As you can see from the phase 1, it seems like the NFT avatar season 1 hasn't started, as well as the Whistle app prototype and the DAIO 1.0. I believe that's what the colored in of the cubes there, that's what they mean, you know. Anyways, couldn't be too sure, but this is a great list of milestones to look forward to, especially if we're investing long term. We'd love to see what is in the plan. All right, why don't we check out the team who is working behind this project, what's driving it right here. It is just the founders. It's a small team, 2 smart intellectuals. We have Angeloshi, I believe I said it correctly, and Zeg. Founder A and founder Z, of course, to go with their initials. Okay, he's the marketing guru, and right here we have the community wizard, and they have the lab, the founder L, the coding machine. That's what runs the engine. Brilliant stuff. If you would like to get in contact with them, or you have any concerns or any questions, direct contact right here. Get in touch. Good stuff. We should take a look at the ecosystem. Right here it says start your journey. The token, you can learn more about Web3. Auto staking, events. This is coming soon. I believe it's loading. Coming soon, the Web3 project events. Auto staking. So there's NFTs. So NFTs right now, the NFT Army box is live. You can collect your wallet and refresh. If you want to buy this, you can copy the link right here. Good stuff. Play the game. If you want to look at Upfinity, you can come back here, take a look at things and see what's popping. The DAIO coming soon, and the Whistle app, you can download it, so don't miss out on that. Great stuff, guys. They're literally touching up in everything, like we said. Token, metaverse, utility. Web3 has got it all. Aha, the Web3, the token, the metaverse, utility. Well, at least it's one of the 3s. Good stuff. Good stuff. The Web3. This is the Web3. Ladies and gentlemen, we've wrapped up most of everything, but I'd like to do one more thing. The question is, why should you go with Web3? You know what about it, you know how they operate, but why choose the Web3 over other projects like Titano, Libero, Seifu? Well, let's have a good look. Right here, if you want to hop into their white paper, which I highly suggest you to do, get a good read of all these interesting topics here, understand more, especially if you're investing. Your research is the guidance to your own investment. Go on why we are better with me and look at the competitive advantages that are listed here. You have the Web3 company like Seifu, Libero, Titano, and you can just see, look at the APY percentage. You have 404k versus Seifu that comes not even a massive difference of 380, then 158. 102. The rebase frequency, Web3 completely annihilating the game with 3 seconds versus what comes second with Seifu of 15 minutes. Web3 is the only ones breaking the record with 3 seconds. Manual buyback, Titano's the only one who has that unavailable. Web3 with the only auto buyback availability. Auto liquidity, Web3 has no price drop, whereas the rest do. The LP token receiver, again, Web3 is also renounced contract for burn address. Web3 is the only one with a consistent adjusted rate. The fees are very similarly amongst the rest, but they are still the lowest, matched up with Seifu. Automatic burn only applies for Web3 and Seifu, as well as sustainable rebasing and insurance fund. Auto staking, luckily they all do. Rug proof, no minting code available. Rug proof, fixed rebasing time approved. You can see others are falling with that one. So you can see here, guys, even look at the unlocked liquidity is sitting at 0% versus 17.8, 35.7, 23. You can see why it's clear that the Web3 is in a huge advantage versus Seifu, Libero, Titano. A higher APY, faster rebase frequency. It is noticeably safer. It's more stable. It's a healthier long-term investment. It's way more consistent, more sustainable. stable, and they have a lot more major utilities to give value to the ecosystem, like a decentralized lifestyle app where data can be backed as NFT and staked for money. So guys, really wanted to show this. We talked about what is Web3, how they operate, and why should you go with them? Why should you invest? Well, I also want you to let me know in the comments, why would you invest with them? So go ahead and smash that like button. If you made it this far, you know what that means. We're also going to drop and spam a comment emoji for the Web3. Let's spam the number 3. All right, so run it up in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host, Cryptic, and this is Encrypted. And I'll catch you next time. Peace.